Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up a brand new subscription to our channel and it's unlike any other we've opened, at least that I can recall. I'm pretty sure though. This is called Gadget Club. So it's $49.95 a month and you get 3 gadgets. I think like they're supposed to be like innovative, new, like release type gadgets. So we will see what's inside. Of course, I will link them down below. This sounds really interesting. I like gadgets, but like I have no idea what this can entail. You know, I feel like gadgets is like a pretty broad category. But before we get started and find out what gadgets we got, I just want to take a quick moment and say hello, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you love them too, I really hope you consider sticking around and subscribing before you go. And yeah, let's get this open. So, Gadget Club. I can't even think of any other gadget subscriptions that I've like come across. 'Cause, you know, I peruse like all that like crate joy and stuff all the time. So here we have a black box. Let's see, where's it open? I feel like, oh, okay, got it. So like, oh my god, when I open up, this is what it looks like. There's a drone in here. What? Mini drone, the everyday fly cam, 4K HD camera, app control, 1 key takeoff. And then it gives a little thing there for more information. What? Oh my god, I want to try it. But like, I have a lake out here. I'm like, what if it just found the lake? Like, is it easy to control one? Or if I go in the parking lot, I want to like hit a car. Is this a drone in here then? What? Because you know what? You ever watch those YouTubers who have like amazing shots? Like I'm like far from that with my like video skills. But like they clearly they're using a drone, right? So this is what it looks like when you open up. I don't want anything to drop. Okay, so here is like the little remote. You guys have to tell me if you guys are like understand gadgets and all this stuff. Sorry, can you see? And this is the drone? What? How? I don't know anything about this, you guys. Can you guys tell me like what you think of this and everything, like quality and all that stuff? I thought drones were like super expensive. I don't see a price on here. Sweet, it like it looks like a little baby helicopter. Where's the camera? Here's some like wiring and stuff. And okay, here's some information. Okay, so there's an app you use. Install the drones app. And through that, I think it goes onto your phone and records. And this is the manual. This is a gadget I have no experience with, but really does seem cool. Hey, Emmy. What? And I love that it comes in this little case. You guys, I have to try this out. I'm just trying to think of, I'm just like go to a park or something, you know? I don't want, maybe there's somewhere around where I live I could do it, but here's again what it looks like. You guys have to tell me, I know I just said this, but what's your experience with drones? Is this, can you just do them anywhere? Like, are there drone laws? I thought about that a while ago when I was in Chicago and I saw one go past my like building because I was higher up and I was like, I thought it was like a UFO for a second. I'm like, oh, drone. But next up, ooh, monocular. Oh my god, this I'm excited about. It's a little like not a binocular, a monocular. Comes in a case. Cool, because there's a super cool wildlife here in Florida. And sometimes I'll see cool birds from far away, but I can't really tell if it's a bald eagle or what, because I've seen that before. It's super cool. So let's try it. Oh, I should show you closer. Cool. I feel like I will use this. Let's see. Should I look outside? Watch me like be doing it like they're... Oh my gosh. Whoa. I can see like the stairwell like forever away. Like up close. Oh, I don't want to be... What if I like got caught like people like were like, oh my god, someone's creeping on me. I can see clearly super far. I wish I could show you like the exact distance, but it's hundreds of feet away. I could see like the details of their blue chairs on their balcony. I know, this is so cool. Yay! And then the last thing here, oh my god, it's a little mini Game Boy. Game Box Mini. I had a Game Boy and I had Nintendo 64, like I guess my brothers did. Excuse me. That's the last video game system I have any experience with. So oh, what? Seems like it's all in a different language. Oh my god, like the hiccups right now. Look at that cute little mini screwdriver. I feel like I'm gonna hiccup again. What the heck? What do you do with this? Oh, just do it. Okay. Oh, you can pick, there's like different games to choose from? What do I do? Start. Oh, is it like Tetris? I don't know if you guys can see the screen. Well, I mean, this is like mildly entertaining. Oh, did I fail? It's like you can use it like as a little keychain, like you're just like waiting in line at the DMV or something. Oh, just getting your phone. The DMV. Why was that? I have to get my driver's license renewed soon for my birthday. But that was everything, you guys. So the drone, like I don't understand it still. Like, if I like have the app, if I like record it to my phone, like that would be really fun. I don't know how often I'll get out and use it just because I need to make sure I can use it without like hurting myself or anyone or like getting it in my leg. But the monocular is definitely my favorite thing. I mean the drone too though. This is just like silly but funny. It's like entertaining. Brings me back some memories, you know, playing like Mortal Kombat 2 or something, whatever that was on there. Is that what that was on? I don't know, but this I can see myself using like for my nature walks and like birds and stuff like that. Like I never thought I'd be that person that's like I'm a bird watcher, but that's true. So I need to look into drones. Like I feel like that's a fancy thing to get in the box, but again, you guys tell me who are more like tech savvy. And yeah, I don't really get this. Maybe, is there like, and I don't know, oh wait, is there a little manual in there? I think there is something. Does it tell you how to play the games? Oh, it does. Let's see if it says what the game names are. 26 in 1. So you could have gotten it in different colors. Tank battle, race car, challenge memory, shooting game, frog across river, shooting game, standard Russia block. Oh, and then it tells you what keys to do it. So I can figure that out. So I think this is cute, but I don't know how much I'll use it. Like maybe, but I feel like I could, like if I have little kids around. Oh, I think I just lost again on accident. I don't know what game this one is. There's like a little kid running. But this is like such a cute little thing to share with one of my friend's kids or something like that. This I'll use for birds. And the drone, I want to figure out how to use it. I think that's super cool. For $49.95, let me know your thoughts down below. I think they said the retail value was over $150 or something like that, but I can't tell. There wasn't a sheet that came with it. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. Way different than usual, right? But I think it was pretty fun to open. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you're doing. And yeah, I do a monthly giveaway for those who don't know or need a reminder and want to double check that they're subscribed still, because YouTube's been unsubscribing people like it's been doing for a while now. I don't really understand. But at once a month, on the first of the month, I pick a subscriber at random, I should say. I pick a subscriber at random and mail them a big baggie full of stuff. Baggie, like a USPS, like flat rate mailer bag full of things. So, it's a big thank you to you guys. Just wanted to remind you. I haven't been saying it in every video because whenever I just want to remind you because it's tomorrow. I don't want to be annoying and repetitive, but I kind of am, I guess, in other ways. Like right now, I'm just like rambling on just so I can still talk to you. But yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Stay safe and healthy. I'm so grateful for you. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.